Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fahri Syarifuddin from the head of Public Administration Sunan Gunung Jati State Islamic University Bandung. Here I will discuss Indonesia foreign policy in improving public health. Uh, in the next material is Indonesia as the world's largest ex-Philippines country and the fourth most populous in the world, plays a very important role in global health policy as countries likely located between South Asia and the Pacific Ocean. Indonesia has a significant influence in the determining the direction of health policy at the international level. The Indonesia government has established a proactive foreign policy in promoting public health as one of the main priorities in this international relation. This is reflected in the various initiatives carried out both at the regional and global levels to improve the health system and address global challenges such as the pandemic and access to medicines. Indonesia constantly participates in international forums such as the United Nations or the UN, the World Health Organization or WHO, ASEAN, and the G20 to discuss global health issues. Through proactive diplomacy, Indonesia seeks to influence global policy to ensure that the health interests of people around the world are properly accommodated. In this video, we will explore further how Indonesia implements its foreign policy in supporting global public health, including great efforts in regional competition and current global health issues. At the regional level, Indonesia plays a crucial role in ASEAN or Association of South Asian Nations in strengthening health system in South Asia. ASEAN is a regional bloc consisting of ten countries focused on operation in the health sector to improve response to public health crisis. As an active ASEAN member country, Indonesia is involved in various initiatives such as the ASEAN Health Cluster. This initiative aims to strengthen regional health capacity, including improving health infrastructure, harmonizing drug regulation, and exchanging health data among ASEAN member countries. Uh, in in addition to ASEAN, Indonesia also plays a role in the G20, a group of major economies in the world, and also has a global health agenda. Through G20 Health Working Group, Indonesia and other member countries collaborate in addressing complex global uh, health challenges such as pandemic response, pension access, and health system sustainability. Indonesia is active participation in these regional and global forums demonstrates its commitment to play a leading role in advocating for inclusive and sustainable health policies at the international level. Uh, as we turn to explore global health issue, the COVID-19 pandemic is a central point in is is foreign policy discussion. Since the beginning of the pandemic, Indonesia has worked hard to coordinate national and international response to COVID-19. Uh, these steps include strengthening the domestic health system, increasing laboratory capacity, and developing health policies that are responsive to the pandemic. At the international level, Indonesia has actively participated in cooperation with WHO and other countries to monitor, prevent, and control the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Indonesia also plays a role in supporting global efforts to ensure fair and equitable access to COVID-19 vaccines for all countries, including as a vaccine producer that is important for increasing global production. In addition, Indonesia is also committed to improving the prevention and response to other global health threats such as other infectious disease, uh, antimicrobial resistance, and climate change that impact public health. Next, we will explore Indonesia's initiatives in implementing bilateral health program with partner countries. This program cover various aspects ranging from emergency medical assistance, public health knowledge exchange to increasing the capacity of medical professional and health infrastructure. Indonesia has long developed close bilateral health partnerships with various countries in South Asia, Africa, and the Pacific. Through technical assistance and the development of medical personnel, Indonesia seeks to strengthen basic health system in partner countries to improve people's access to quality health service. For example, Indonesia has provided emergency and long-term health assistance to countries experiencing health crises such as natural disasters or armed conflicts. This program not only helps save lives but also local capacity to address complex public health claims. Indonesia faces a number of challenges in the future in advancing its foreign policy for public health. One of them is improving access to health for all levels of society, especially in remote and less developed areas. Efforts to ensure that everyone can access quality health service are a top priority in Indonesian health policy agenda. Future challenges include increasing access to health for all, strengthening the primary health system, addressing health disparities between urban and rural areas, and adapting to global environmental change such as climate change that can significantly affect public health. In addition, Indonesia is also faced with the challenge of strengthening the primary health system, including increasing the number of health facilities, the availability of qualified medical personnel, and the distribution of medicines evenly through the country. Uh, this strengthening is important to increase the capacity to respond to various health challenges, both local and global. Indonesia needs to continue to innovate in developing new solutions, utilizing technology to improve health service, and building strong international partnership in facing technology complex global health challenges. Innovation in health technology is also key to addressing future challenges. Indonesia has begun to adopt digital technology in the provision of health service, including the development of application for monitoring public health, the use of telemedicine, and the collection of accurate health data to support evidence-based policies. The Indonesian government and the private sector need to work together to develop innovative solutions that can improve the efficiency of health service, improve people's quality of life, and reduce the burden of preventable disease. Sustainable health financing is crucial to supporting the success of Indonesia is bringing policy on public health. Indonesia needs to ensure adequate budget allocation for the health sector, including investment in health infrastructure, training of medical personnel, health research, and development of activity health programs. In addition, Indonesia should also utilize international funding sources and bilateral cooperation to support urgent and strategic health programs. Collaboration with international organizations such as the World Bank and donor agencies can provide the financial support needed to address complex health challenges. The Indonesia government is also expected to continue to improve transparency in the management of the health budget and ensure that every fund allocated for health is used efficiently and on target. Finally, Indonesia must address the impacts of global environmental change on public health. Climate change, deforestation, rapid urbanization, and environmental degradation can have negative impact on public health, including increased risk of infection disease, decreased air water quality, and increased of natural disasters that have the potential to damage health infrastructure. In response, Indonesia needs to integrate environmental change mitigation and adaptation into national and international health policies. These measures include developing early warning systems for natural disasters, managing environmental health risks, and promoting sustainable and environmentally friendly lifestyles. In facing this challenge, international cooperation and cross-sectoral collaboration between the government, private sector, civil society, and academia are essential to achieve sustainable development goals in health. Thank you for watching this video and following our explanation of Indonesia's role in improving global public health. We hope this information provides useful insights and motivates you to get involved in supporting public health efforts in Indonesia and around the world. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below about your views on this topic. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.